Alright, so I'm out at the farm, as you can see. It's not a lot out here. It's a great day. It's, you know, raining and everything like that, which is good, believe it or not, because I've just picked up something that I think is really going to benefit us here at the farm. That's right. Meet the new Research and Development Centre. So I'm going to move this into a new paddock, and we'll have a walk through this thing and see if it leaks because it's raining and everything like that, and we'll have a walkthrough of it and see what we got.
Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God, I'll get it, bro. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will not quit, I'm on it. Never rock it. Got the block lit, I'm toxic. Spitting logic, make them nauseous. Honest, can I stop this? Never cautious, drop it. I'm the hardest. Knock, knock, bitch, watch it. I'm the fucking king of rock, bitch. Poppin', spitting hot shit. I'm topic, chronic. I think I'm motherfucking lost it.
Alright, so upon first inspection, she's rough. I mean, I got this thing for free, so we can't argue too much. It's got a breaker window, which is fine. I'll just get a little bit of plastic over that. She'll be right. And, yeah, like the windows are still intact. The tint's coming off them, but, I mean, we can just peel that. That doesn't really matter. And, yeah, I mean, but it's all still intact, you know. It's got the lights and the things, you know, and the windows and everything like that. Now, the inside is missing some stuff, but it's not too bad. All in all, for a skeleton, consider we're not going to be staying out here forever, this is great. So let's have a look inside and see what's going on. Oh, try and... Door works. And it's got plastic. That's always a bonus. So this is it. This is a beauty. So this is more than likely where the girls are going to sleep here. And everything like that. And yeah, so this window this top roof doesn't seem to be leaking. There's no water in here. See, the old kitchen. I'll probably tear all that out and I'll just find some cheap shit to put in there. Some shit, you know, might even get some steel shelving and put it in there instead. Keep the sink and that, obviously. And then, yeah, knock that out, put another cabinet in there if I find one. But, I mean, this is it. There's no leaks. There's no nothing. It's still got power points and that and a light with a switch. I mean, it's very 60s. But so far, there's no water in it. So I'm going to call that a win. I mean, it's raining and it's not leaking. So a good vacuum, tidy up, and maybe an air freshener. You know, it smells like an old 70s porn set and old socks, but that's all right. Clean it out, gut it out, and we'll be right. No worries. A few cabinets, mate. Get the kids in here. So I've got a mattress for there and a mattress for there, and then I'll probably extend this so that's another bed, so that's like an L shape, so the 3 girls can stay here if they want to, and all that. And then, yeah. So that's it. So now we're going to drag it into our new paddock. Because, yeah, Mick's got us a new paddock. So up there's where we're going.
You better look at the speed limit.
Rory's going to ride inside this thing, so...
You better check on the speed limit.
I will. I promise. Let's see. We'll get you in here. We'll prop the phone on.
I get the phone.
Because you've never really been in here in daytime, have you? Alright, where are we going to put the phone?
I don't know. I can hold it.
Oh, you're probably going to need both hands to hold on. Alright, we'll find a spot and then we'll go.
For me.
You ready? Alright. Just hold on, okay? I'll go slow.
Don't lock it.
Well, I've got to so the door stays shut. But I'll check on you when we get to the gate,
Could
okay?
you stop halfway?
Yeah, halfway, alright?
I'm really, really scared.
Oh, you'll be okay, come on. You ready? Oh, come on then.
I don't even know why it's like.
Rory's bailing. She's going to come in the car. So let's try and get this up the hill.
giant.
This is the new paddock.
Ew, Dad.
The new 7th Axis R&D paddock. So, yeah, I think it's a pretty good view. I'm almost tempted to see what's up on that peak. I might go for a walk and then see if we can see the entire paddock. But this is it. This is our playground, our new stomping ground. So
Shut up.
we'll we'll get this van sorted and then we can start moving some stuff up here.
Shut up.
So what do you reckon?
Yeah, good.
Hey? Yeah, that's gonna be a bed. And then this one here, what that you're standing on, is gonna be a bed. And then that's gonna be a bed.
Oh, what about this could be a couch?
Yeah, I might even put one in there too.
We need a couch.
Yeah, well, you can sit on that. We can change that over for when
Make sure you
Livy
have the
comes.
TV.
Once Livy comes, then we can change that.
So what about this? We need a TV. We need to fix
Yes,
that whole
well, you got to understand that we've only just got this and put this here. So,
My faucets.
all right,
The faucets doesn't work.
it's not a faucet, it's a sink.
Why do you know why it doesn't work then?
Because I was going to have it for the camera when you rode in here, but you chickened out.
Yeah.
But yeah, let's go for a walk up on the hill, see what we can see.
Dad, can
All right, so do you approve?
Yeah.
Yeah?
We just found some of these little marbles.
Yeah.
Coin, and this one like that.
Treasure hunting.
Yeah.
Yeah? All right, well, I'll tell you what, why don't we start dragging some of our stuff up here, eh? We'll go down, we'll get the trailer and all the rest of the stuff, and we'll start dragging it up, yeah?
Like, for real.
Yeah, for real.
And then some of that.
I'm going to need your help, all right?
So we actually have some couch cushions here.
Yeah, we got to find some. But let's get this stuff up here first, okay?
Can we go?
All right, so day 2 out at the farm. As you can see, van's all the way over there. So we're just vehicle recovering at the moment, dragging them all up. So here's a Subaru. Now, you know, it's not in too bad a nick. It's got some front damage and panel damage and stuff like that. But as we were dragging it up, noticed that the wheel collapsed. That's always a bonus. There's no gearbox in this bad boy, but I haven't had a look under the hood. I don't know. So next time I'm up, I'm going to pull this back so it's nice and neat and everything like that. I want these cars all stacked in line so they're nice and neat. Then the next one we brought up with this little Leone, or an L series as most people know them as. So I dragged this bad boy up. This seems to be complete. Eventually I'm going to try and get these things running. So that's the game plan. And then of course you all know the Saab that I picked up. So I got this one off a mate, free. But it does run. It's got a vacuum leak, doesn't run happy, but this will be clean up and I'll flip this and hopefully that'll fund some more projects. So they're the 3 cars we got at the moment. I haven't started bringing the Brumbies up. They're going to come up soon, probably next weekend, next time I'm out here. And I'll start lining these up and stacking them and getting them all built and running and everything like that. So anyways, that's it for now. That'll do this episode. So that's the R&D centre. Few cars out here, everything like that. As you can see, the paddock's pretty big, it's pretty open. I mean, I'm probably about 400, 500 metres from the van at the moment. So there's plenty of room to play. So yeah, I'll bring the rest of the cars up next weekend. I'll do a bit of a walkthrough on them. And then, yeah, we'll just get them running, see what's involved in them, see if they're worth running, stuff like that. And yeah, we'll go from there. So anyways, like I always say, guys, if you can like, subscribe and share, the subs help me out a heap. I really need you guys to subscribe. So if you can, that'd be great. I appreciate it so much. And like I always say, I'll see you in the next episode.